Okay, so we're ready to put on the tempered glass. So I'm gonna take off the tape backing on the tempered glass to expose the sticky surface. So once the sticky surface is exposed, what we want to do is line up one corner on the lower left side of the screen, and slowly placing it so that I know the edges actually match on the alignment. And then the home button is aligned properly too. So once I'm satisfied with the location, I'm gonna let it go. And then it's gonna pretty much adhere to the screen by itself, as you can see. Okay? So you notice there's a little bubble here on the middle of the screen after I place it, and it's not going away. So what you want to do is, tap this bubble and trying to force this bubble to the edge, because this thing doesn't come with any kind of, scraper to get rid of the bubble. And sometimes you will see that this doesn't go away for some strange reason. Okay, so it's still not going away. So we press it a few more times to see if it will go away, and trying to force the bubble to the edge. And sometimes it can be stubborn. As you can see, it's not really going away anyway. So we're gonna slowly press it a few more times, but you can see that it is getting better and disappearing as you're trying to use your thumb or your fingers to trying to force the bubble to the edge. Okay, so you can see that the bubble is actually going away now. So it's going to take a few more seconds for it to smooth out. So if you hold your finger on the screen for a few more times, you can see that the bubble eventually does flatten out and goes away. So as you can see, it does go on pretty easily as long as you have the proper alignment, with the home button and the edges, so that when you place the screen on, it will just fall right into place. And with the proper preparation and removing the dust using the tape and the screen cleaner, you should have pretty good results with any tempered glass protector. And it's always, a good idea to put on a tempered glass protector, because, you don't want it an expensive investment to just, break down or scratched up as you start to use it on a normal basis. So having a screen protector is definitely a good investment. It's very cheap. You could get it on Amazon or any vendors that you would like, that you could find the best prices on it. And then once you have this placed on, you're ready to go. So hopefully this is helpful, and thanks for watching.